Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing especially well today. So today I'm going to create two vase ideas for you. I'm sort of ending the summer DIYs with this one. I'm going to be moving directly into creating fall content, fall ideas as well as holiday ideas. I'm going to start early this year. So I'm going to start off by using this large square vase, and I told you guys that I picked this up from my discount store, and I picked up a couple of them at the time. This is a very heavy vase, and except for this one has some microscopic chips underneath at the bottom, but anyway, I'm still going to use it. And so I'm going to just create this quick, simple, sort of whimsical DIY for you guys. It's going to have a sort of a 3D effect, very chunky glitter I'm going to be using, as well as some extra embellishments. So again, I started off by cleaning off this vase with a little bit of alcohol on a paper towel and just wiping it clean. And I'm going to also clean off my hands as well. My fingers are kind of oily today because I did put on some skincare. So this is some washi tape that I picked up from Amazon, and I was thinking about using this today to create a design, but I don't think I'm going to do that today because I had a hard time choosing what would look best on this vase and also what kind of design I was going to create using the tape. So I think I'm going to save this for another project, and I'm going to use the chunky wrap that I picked up from Amazon. So this is the gold one, and this is the back of it. As you can see, it's self-adhesive, and it's that chunky gold glitter wrap. I absolutely love this, and I also have it in silver, and so I'm going to be using the silver and the gold today. I'm going to create a silver and gold look. So I'm going to start by measuring out the amount of tape that I need. I'm just going to wrap it around the circumference of the vase, and then I'm going to just cut off what I need. After that, I'm going to fold that in half, and then I'm going to cut it in half. So I had a bit of a struggle cutting this evenly, but I'm still going to use it, guys. It's really chunky. The scissors don't pass through the decoration that easy, but I'm going to use it today. And I'm also going to do the same thing to the silver one. So now that they're all cut out, I'm going to start applying it to the square vase. I'm going to alternate the colors that I'm going to use. I'm going to start with the silver, and I'm going to move into the gold next. I'm going to do that until all 4 strips that I cut are used. So now that that's done, I'm going to glue this small dish, this glass dish, to the bottom of the square vase. I've already applied the glue to this, and so what I'm going to do now is just adhere the two pieces together, and then I'm going to let it dry overnight. But yeah, so I'm sorry I didn't show you the glass dish that I'm going to use. It's a very heavy dish. It reminds me of an ashtray, and I picked this up from my discount store. So it was really nice. It's a good fit, and it's really heavy. Just like the vase is really heavy, this dish is heavy as well. So I'm going to set that to the side. I'm going to allow both pieces that I'm making today to dry overnight. So now I'm going to create the same design, but I'll be using a round vase from the Dollar Tree. So now that that's done, I'm going to adhere this glass tapered candlestick holder to the bottom of the vase. Alright guys, so this is the next day and everything is set into place, and I really do love the way they look. They look really simple and clean. Not a lot of glam going on here, but what I want to do is add some miniature embellishments. I wanted to add something just to make it pop a little bit. Before I do that, guys, I want to show you the bottom of the vase. This is nice and heavy, and it's a good weight for the vase because it's really thick and it's heavy. Okay, so moving on to decoration, I've decided that I'm not going to leave it like this. This looks a little plain for me. Although I do love the chunky glitter effect, I love the alternating colors there. I love it. So I have these rhinestone beads that I used for another project a few years ago. I don't think I've ever showed these on my channel. I created some decoration for someone and I used these. And I had some left over, so I decided to use a few of these on both vases. These are really nice rhinestone beads. That's the back. And they're really nice, guys. These are really cute, and it's sort of whimsical, and it's going to make the it's going to look really appropriate for our two vases. So I'm just going to pull out the ones I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue. I'm going to apply it to the back, and then I'm going to adhere it to the vases. Okay guys, these vases look so cute with the bees on them. I didn't want to put bees all around the vase because I really don't have enough to create that look. So this is going to be the front of the vase, and I just used a few of the bees, and they really look nice there. I love the way this came out today. Really whimsical, really nice. Again, like I said, I'm moving straight into the fall content and the holiday content. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. So stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.